Hello everyone. Dissertation writing can feel like climbing a mountain. Linking your research to big theories is tricky. But don't worry, I'm here to help. Think of theories as maps and your findings as landmarks. Theories help you understand your research problem. They guide your investigation and explain your observations. Linking findings to theories elevates your work. Connecting theory and findings makes your dissertation valuable. Right, let's break this down into manageable steps. First, identify the key findings from your research. What are the standout patterns or trends? Next, revisit the theoretical framework you chose for your dissertation. Which theories directly relate to your findings? Think about how your findings either support, challenge, or add a new dimension to the existing theories. This is where the real magic happens. For example, let's say your research found that consumers are more likely to buy a product after watching a video review. This finding could link to the desire stage of the AIDA model: attention, interest, desire, action. Remember, it's okay if your findings don't perfectly align with every aspect of a theory. Sometimes your research might reveal unexpected insights or even contradict existing assumptions. Embrace those curveballs. They offer opportunities for original thought and can even suggest areas for further investigation. Let's look at some real-world examples. Imagine you're researching consumer behavior in the fashion industry. Your findings show a spike in sales after a social media influencer endorses a new clothing line. This example aligns beautifully with the AIDA model. The influencer's post grabs attention. Their stylish photos spark interest and desire, leading followers to take action, making a purchase. Now let's say your research focuses on sustainability. You find that consumers with strong pro-environmental attitudes are more likely to buy eco-friendly products. This links directly to the theory of planned behavior, which suggests that our intentions to buy or not buy are shaped by our attitudes, social norms, and perceived control. By explicitly linking your observations to these theoretical frameworks, you create a compelling narrative. You're not just presenting data, you're telling a story that's grounded in established academic thought. One common challenge is feeling overwhelmed by the sheer volume of theories out there. Don't worry, you don't need to be an expert in everything. Focus on the theories that are most relevant to your research question and findings. Another hurdle is finding that your results contradict the chosen theory. Don't panic. This can be a fantastic opportunity to propose modifications to existing theories or even suggest new avenues for research. Remember, academic research is an ongoing conversation. Your dissertation is your chance to add your unique voice and insights to this conversation. By systematically linking your findings back to established theories, you demonstrate a deep understanding of your field and elevate the impact of your research. So go forth, connect those dots, and watch your dissertation shine. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights and guidance for your dissertation journey.